After watching today's video, you will never look at the familiar coconut the same way again. Yes, today we will explore some fascinating aspects of coconut cultivation and processing that will make you rediscover this remarkable fruit. It takes approximately 3 to 6 years for a coconut tree to grow from a young sapling to a mature tree capable of bearing fruit. Once the flowers appear, it takes around 9 months for a coconut to fully mature. One unique characteristic of the coconut tree is that both male and female flowers grow on the same flower cluster. However, to ensure higher yields, farmers often remove the male flowers early. This allows them to control the pollination process more effectively. Using their hands or small brushes, they transfer pollen from the male flowers onto the female flowers. This manual pollination significantly improves coconut production. When the coconuts are fully matured, harvesting begins. This task requires exceptional skill. Some workers climb trees that can reach heights of over 100 feet using nothing but their bare feet. To reduce risks, many farmers now use the pole method, where coconuts are cut down using long bamboo poles fitted with cutting tools. The safest and easiest harvesting method is the use of hydraulic elevators. However, because of the high cost, many farmers choose not to adopt this technology. Once harvesting is complete, the coconuts are gathered and prepared for processing. In some regions, farmers transport coconuts through water canals, allowing them to float to collection points where they are loaded onto boats. This innovative system saves both time and transportation costs. Farmers without access to such facilities rely on trucks to deliver their coconuts to processing plants. Damaged, excessively rotten, or low-quality coconuts are not sent for processing. Instead, they are often used as fertilizer. Upon arriving at the processing facility, the first step is removing the tough outer husk, a process known as dehusking. While people in many countries traditionally perform this task manually, using blades or metal spikes, modern factories use advanced dehusking machines. These machines contain massive toothed rollers that strip away the husk within seconds. Next, skilled workers rapidly crack open the hard shell by hand. This process must be carried out carefully to ensure the white coconut meat inside remains intact. The discarded husks are far from waste. In modern factories, the dried husks are fed through powerful rollers that separate and process them into long, durable fibers. These fibers, known as coir, are used to manufacture highly durable ropes, doormats, and net-like mats. Today, coconut coir is also widely used as geotextile material to prevent riverbank erosion and landslides. In some areas, specially designed coir nets are even used during road construction to improve soil stability. As a result, what was once considered agricultural waste has evolved into a billion-dollar industry, producing world-class construction and environmental materials. The value of coconut husks does not end there. After the fibers are extracted, a fine, dust-like material remains. This material is known as cocoa peat. Once discarded as waste, cocoa peat is now considered black gold in modern agriculture. Using large industrial machines, cocoa peat is compressed under high pressure into solid blocks or grow slabs. These products play a crucial role in hydroponic farming, a modern cultivation method that requires little or no soil. One remarkable property of grow slabs is their ability to retain up to 10 times their own weight in water while still supplying sufficient oxygen to plant roots. Today, farmers use this technology to achieve higher yields of tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and many other crops while using less space. Even the hard shell left behind after the coconut meat is removed is not wasted. The shells are loaded into large furnaces where oxygen levels are carefully controlled while they are heated to extremely high temperatures. Through this specialized process, the shells are transformed into activated charcoal that is far more powerful than ordinary charcoal. This activated charcoal is used not only as fuel, but also in water purification systems and gas filtration masks designed to absorb harmful substances. The same coconut shells are also used to produce charcoal briquettes. Charcoal powder is compressed under extremely high pressure into compact blocks. These briquettes burn much longer than conventional charcoal and generate significantly less smoke. As a result, they are increasingly recognized worldwide as environmentally friendly biofuel.
Coconut water has earned a reputation around the world as a magical natural drink. During processing, the water is carefully extracted and collected. However, it is not sent directly to the market. Instead, it travels through stainless steel pipelines into chilled storage tanks to prevent exposure to outside air and preserve its natural flavor. The water then undergoes a filtration process before being filled into sterilized bottles or cans using fully automated robotic systems. The containers are sealed and prepared for distribution. Rich in natural electrolytes and free from artificial sugars and preservatives, coconut water is now widely recognized as one of the best beverages for rapid hydration. After the coconut water is removed, the white kernel is thoroughly washed and cut into small flakes. These flakes are soaked in hot water and pressed mechanically to extract coconut milk. When less water is used during processing, a thicker product known as coconut cream is produced. The milk and cream are then pasteurized and packaged to ensure safe distribution to consumers. The dry material left after milk extraction is dried and ground into coconut flour, a gluten-free ingredient that has become highly popular in the baking industry. Meanwhile, dried shredded coconut is processed into desiccated coconut, a product widely used in confectionery and baking applications. The oil extracted by pressing dried coconut meat is known as coconut oil. It is used extensively not only in cooking, but also across various industrial sectors. Some countries are now taking this technology even further by researching the production of biojet fuel from coconut oil, a development that could offer a promising alternative energy source in the future. After watching today's video, you may never think of a coconut as just an ordinary fruit again. Every part of a coconut, from the husk to the shell, from the water to the white kernel, contains a story of technology, innovation, skilled labor, and human dedication. From the plantation to the factory, and from there to global markets, this extraordinary journey has transformed the coconut from a simple food product into a complete industrial ecosystem.